guys, I'm Christina, the co-founder of Green Notes Co. And today I'm going to be showing you a quick guide on how to use the Grow Book, a templated logbook to help you stay organized and keep track of vital grow information in your garden.
When you open the journal, you have a table of contents and guided pages letting you know all of the important things to track within a specific section. The Grow Book has been designed with a simple and intuitive layout. In the first section, you'll track 3 things: your strain and genetics, your grow environment and supplies and materials you're using, as well as the nutrient mix across 3 different phases of the plant life cycle. Next, you have a feeding and watering schedule and monthly calendars for 6 months of tracking so you can plan your process from the very beginning. Next, you have your daily and weekly log, and this is where the magic happens. We've especially designed the layout to help you easily keep track of all the critical information, such as temperature, pH, whether you fed or watered that day. As you go through the weekly monitoring over the course of the months, you'll get closer to your harvest. In this section, you'll be able to plan the end of your harvest, as well as drying time. In the final section, this is all about you. It's time for you to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Using the strain experience pages, note the aromas, the taste of your product, how you feel, and don't forget to give yourself a 5-star rating.